View new homes. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Welcome, dear viewers, to the charming 189 Degerstrom. Nestled in a serene country setting at the end of a tranquil dead-end road, this home is a harmonious blend of past and present. As we step inside, you'll notice the original farmhouse character that has been lovingly preserved, from the wide pumpkin pine floors underfoot to the exposed beams overhead. Our first stop is the entryway, where modern tile flooring greets us. Moving on to the kitchen, you'll find sleek granite countertops that offer a contemporary touch to this historic home. This large eat-in kitchen is perfect for family meals and entertaining guests. Next, we step into the expansive living area, complete with sliding doors that open up to the beautiful outdoors. This home comfortably accommodates with its 3 to 4 bedrooms and 1.5 baths, providing ample space for everyone. Now, let's venture outside. The property spans a generous 31 acres, with a stream meandering through, offering approximately 500 feet of water frontage. Near the heart of the acreage, the stream forms a quaint pond, a perfect spot for quiet reflection. For the nature enthusiasts among you, the property boasts several trails leading to prime hunting areas. And if that's not enough, you have direct ATV and snowmobile access to major trail systems. And for the adventurers, the proximity to Moosehead Lake and the Appalachian Trail offers endless exploration possibilities. All this could be yours by the time of recording this video for the price of $279,900. This home is more than just a house, it's a lifestyle, a retreat, and a piece of history all rolled into one. Let's check out more scenic views of this beautiful property. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 189 Degerstrom. If you would like to know more about this home, please click on the link in the description under Property Link.